Hello, everyone! Today, I will demonstrate how to run powerful AI directly on your phone using Google AI Edge Gallery. Open the Play Store and search for Edge Gallery. Select Google AI Edge Gallery and install it. Once installed, open the app. This app allows AI models to run directly on your device, even without internet. Accept the terms and continue to enter the main interface. Allow permissions, then go to the AI chat section, where different models are available. Here we choose Gemma 4E2BIT, a lightweight 2.5 gigabyte model. There are also larger models available with more capabilities. While it downloads, you can explore other models, like larger Gemma versions and additional AI models. Once the download is complete, tap on Try It to start using the model. The model now initializes locally on the device. Let's start with a simple prompt. Hello, and send it. As you can see, the AI responds instantly. Now, I'll turn off mobile data to show that it works offline. Let's ask, explain the 3 laws of motion. The AI generates a detailed and proper response, explaining each and every law clearly, even without internet access, from its trained data. It even provides a structured summary table for better understanding. You can scroll through the complete explanation and summary, and that's how you can run AI fully offline on your mobile. You can also explore more features like Ask Image on your own. Thank you!